Hi kiddos, today we're going to read The Rainy Day Adventure. Little Elephant and Little Tiger were playing in the jungle when splish, splosh, splash, it began to rain. "We can keep dry under that tree," said Little Tiger. But Little Elephant was too big. His front half was dry, but his backside was still out in the rain. He tried facing the other way, but then his head was wet. "Never mind," said Little Tiger. "Let's go to the cave." Little Tiger raced through the rain with Little Elephant splashing along behind him. "We're nearly there," shouted Little Tiger. But when they arrived, they found two bears already there. "Go away," shouted the biggest bear. "We were here first." Little Tiger didn't argue because he knew of an even better place. They splashed through the rain until they came to a big rock. Little Elephant squeezed under the rock next to Little Tiger, but as he did, he pushed Little Tiger out the other side. They don't fit in there. "Thanks a lot, Little Tiger," said Little Elephant. "I'm dry at last." "But I'm soaking wet," said Little Tiger. "Move over." Little Elephant shifted his bottom and curled up his trunk, but there was still not enough room for the two of them. They raced through the rain until they reached Little Tiger's favorite fallen tree. Little Tiger crawled underneath, but poor Little Elephant couldn't even get his head inside. "Can't you think of anywhere else?" said Little Elephant. He was very wet now. I know," shouted Little Tiger. "We can stay dry under the mango tree." But when they got there, they found a family of monkeys had already arrived. "Come on in," chattered the monkeys. "There's plenty of room." But there wasn't enough room for the monkeys as well. "There's another cave by the river," said Little Tiger. So splish, splosh, off they went to the river. Suddenly, Little Elephant skidded into Little Tiger and they both fell right into the river. "We're wetter than ever," cried Little Elephant. "But it's fun though," said Little Tiger. They were having so much fun that they didn't even notice when the rain stopped and the sun came out. The end.